Donna Bomani Aquapan Quafo, that's acquired to the Angels Dominion International Church.
But all to mommy. Yes, sir.
Where I was on for Prophet Joseph Mensah, and that's acquired to the Angels Dominion International Church. I do Donna Bomani and say Aquapan Quafo, many. Prophet Joseph Mensah, when I'm a Bible mushroom, Ghana, Hamina, Bible, I had the shame of the Bagana. A kind of crack, mouth being left and right. Jumaya Sawoye, Bemana and the Bewalan, and Yukuno. And I said, we didn't know a banana in the Bewalan. Ni now buy a bachelor of Prophet Joseph Mensah. A Jumasam name could ye between Yaye, Ubikura one whom behind when a bushing. And now whom been to your mamma and Cosso. Who buy a Bible and bear training now my own. I was some now your problem here. Make catch your brain. We were who Ghana and now approach me now. Was some eye or diagram. What Tim and can't say. We need problem while if you couldn't answer if you need problem. Just said the war problem one said, just say be a woman, sir. Work traveler. So work traveler to say be a woman booming says, see there. Mean to me, son, and your bicycle, booming said, be when they're fine. And now you are what they are attracting. But so I would hear that you know, traveler. I was a money problem. Sign man, this is the Prophet Joseph Mensah. May cancel your my baby. Oh, bar Prophet, Minam to me, dear, drew canipa. Ma will be a doctor say, won't will be him. Will be a dear crown, Minam to me, my Prophet Joseph Mensah, who was our crying. Obuha now was some now problem on in Ukunu, who will come near Bearman and now buy a bachelor. Prophet Joseph Mensah, Kumasi Krumham waiting at him Taboo Bola Junction. Etimating Taboo Bola Junction. Prophet Joseph Menkwana with the Bible, so be ye be a Wusiami. Men who shall do TV from 2016, when I'm the Bible idea with the buyer. With the Aquadum TV, sir, so be ye be a copy, photocopy. Kumasi am ye Juma Jordan and Benadakwa. Accra Wama Sama Stadium Junction, Jarvis, Honda Ye Juma Yaudan Minda. And what called the Travel Salvation School. Also, me Juma, the friends, Kusia Dakwa. Ray, I try be ye new. When your friend a try be Psalm 91, and you might do a crown back. We will count Psalm 91 goes to 7 times, but the other best idea was saying. What does run upon you, men upon you? Now you'll be so when the bonny and I be ye, or the infant trial and I got it. When I should be you or was my back on once and way a favor oil, way. Lady Anna said, well, we are Juma, will be 100 some and a day. Una sour you will be sure. What need problem be again? Some 23, what can go to 7 times? And also the slab say, I was soon see another same. What they are slow when you know some case die. Who need problem be again? For Prophet Joseph Mensah, telephone number 055 44 77 959 055 44 77 959 and at 0504 60 41 22 0504 60 41 22. Prophet Joseph Mensah, Macram.
Make a date from Friday 29th of November to the 1st of December 2019 for the Beauty and Bridal Fair Christmas and Discount Sales Edition. It's an open market experience covering not only bridal but all your shopping needs for Christmas, from clothing, shoes, cosmetics, food items, decor, kids products and many more. The Bridal Corner will serve you with all your beauty and bridal needs, from makeup products, African products, cosmetics, event decor and planning, cakes, clothing and many more. Remember, the date is Friday 29th of November to Sunday 1st of December at the Gold.
Israel 4.5.
Yabo,
Yana, or Mammy, or Eddie, Yena, Yanko, Abusafo, Sana, Agrono, Etie, na Menkai, a message in Afinana, and Fadi Kunu, entry in Evangelist Michael Entry, good evening. I'm Nana Amu Mensa. We are more say Aquaman watching you live. Nana, we are more say Aquaman Nana Enche condemn Baba on us na Mabechia Papa Matun Cleaning and Tienche Meba na Maba Abechia when you grow action taxi drivers and Tibequai was a show live. Eradi Inshra on super Mr. Oti. Uton kai obekwa runabout Mr. Oti who are crasses here also or share live. Mr. Oti bekwa runabout cardless wo kan ho bi wo enkran Frastar House e ho na wo ye adwuma erade insha pa se won so watch here live nana ukọ ye se na wo ade ma yemfoni kakra na afi ye nkọ na etie fo nkodi nkọ ma so
therefore ana me ra ho anya sam gitu
nana say na tie ma yemfoni na area ye sempanyimfo no ma me kwant Facebook live ye mfa ne ma kakra bi na e mo mo picture keto bi
ko ya makohunu no oba no obre na kaboana no kwan no a sebio agana free bank niam na gugu sa na awrowro na me rawo
Jesus Christ
oba sebio na na mu na de me ya bebre ne se ontimi ni be ma nada
ontimi ni be ma na asay wankasa
chese bibia se na onyame na de ne to ti sa sunsun no ne da wa ye bone papa na ye ne nyame ase so a wo miensa
ne tia yi
na na minim nsan man kan me kedi mun sanu na enje yisi
etiefo
mako hunu no ye nyina ye mompaye sister ne to no
mami my odi
etiefo obia mo abi fise ne enje yisi
mana ma woni nyina atete wampa woni atete ni so ne je sa ade na no hye obi wo mo abi bitumi di aboa esrem
na enti nipa be yetimi ye sa ade we ya na se eye de na wo hwe no asa de o si kire no we de enye kokoo we de be yi pa na chese ni ho be bia ni wa obetumi ni be manda ti de odi bia na no ano no
we are some doors. Hi, it's 104.5. We are some Friday edition hosting by your man Evangelist Michael Entry, aka Condemn, aka Massacre, aka Atiatia for Ehene. Na some Alvre who ye papa. Na yebestre nana so omwa kakra obetumi di aboa no. Nana ye bi so no de nanum sa asem na no de. Nana omwa kakra bia na obi so omwa kakra obetumi di aboa. Yesre anu an mabrochire fo mu hu e moboda no yenye nu emfiri o haw ne amandem na ano anoding Madaroma na yentumi emwa no kakra ye number no munim menim we no but at least o frame kwana na ejeya kakra bi a de beba no mbetumi de aboa na etumi a share urade animunyama na 00 menim na beba me number sisia na me be de na number na mawa na otumi di aboa yi na yetimi akoyenim yenje adwenkyere kakra na fi yenkomse nana se de etie no menim so de wakan ya se you so de popo
de aye ne se
ko ahoma ne so emra okay nana yentio kakra ya
de aye ne se nana we de yenyina be kekensa na ya boa bi na nana de mesumenya bane de beboa na se asam ba ko down se amanfo bebre besre ensuo ni sika wo mo sika ba eti wa wo de ba ya ya twere ye bia no nyame ya dom a wuku ada omra meji da omo asepa na mo wo de anim na wo ba isro megu nfi da mo ase
me so me da wa asepa wa ya de nyame sha yo police for no nyame sha mo tie me pa Mr. Ahmed Udin no kra de kan ho no wasenka na menya kan ho na afi owura na afi bra oben me oben mu na mo gina anyinam go filling station ho na mo ye adwuma sa police for me say me boma baso erade insha mo pa yen kwa ho ma no so na me ne Dr. Mensen ni nkomo kakra bi hello doctor akate oh sorry Petro open na mayene doctor din komo kakra na say doctor asem no aye na awerɛho yi to mo kakra opese oboy agozi yentie tewu na fe yenko adwenkyere ya fa nana kasa wi ya okay so for santi yentie tewu na yenko yewo another story wo hontie pese run
condemn and ana hu say ya bi nanisu that means asem no
ono pepe nanisu ano dey
because ye bi said o te harum pa de o twetwe ne dodi a wo ye na wakohwe ade o ya besun de kwasi wasu
okay so for santi ma doctor ni nkomomra hello doctor good evening.
Good evening.
Me pacho Dr. Mensa Dr. Wonder na yensa kan yana.
Dr. Wonder ni.
Yeda erade ase Dr. Wankasa osomfo ade nyina wonu ahofe tiatiafo hene evangelist condemn ena ja me no din komo. Dr. Odaroma oba bi bad na sembetu enim wa ha na no kurani ano odin yem se ensem ni nyina watie dada na oso wo ho asem bi kan Odaroma ma yentie we.
Yo condemn me da city. Ababa wa ne problem no. Ye normal mi no. Yentimi nkan pi say ye honhom nko a. We de mo ko he ni din pa ye friend genital warps. Genital warps no ye te say hemorrhoid no. Na se de city no e ma de egu omo a nyim se konfo ye bi. Se do ku si hu ye no se de mi triti no ye sa me cripolis no yes be kadwa na oba se be wo jom so fem no if you free e ho ne ho nyina sre ne te se de kuku enfite bi na if free ho no e na e se ti ba ne anus no ne to kwan no if you free no sa si e se bi si ne to kwan no e te se obi anya kuku nyini no but enye kuku e fa ne genital warps enunti enya bia ni treatment no eye spiritual realm ko a e wo se ye bia biblioti matiti ni pa bibri we matiti ni pa bibri bia udeti be ma bi na be ma no wo infection infection na no wo no aba na ho ache na ubia na de ya na ye no enti mesremo ada memoa meeting be abo baba wa mnese nyame ya bomo jo aba wi ya mtiki nefe ni free sabe ni be free ho no mo am wo de ho adanse bi aba ho no mo enye bi ase bi ahon te mo di nshirafo de se mu se
ade eni mo aja ko besi ni wani no
nyame ya bomo jo ada mo ma ni hia me na me mo ano ya se ni ti
ya da se Dr. Mensa Dr. Wonder kutwi Guinness depo wa na obutu na doctor nyame adoma minim se wakan obeye de bedin kan ebeda wase ye ne atifo nyina ye da wase ni adwempa ne akomapa se obeyi ye flo hawe mu na erade adoma ye se erade se nkanya mbefa wo so na ekowie a ye besan ne wo ne nyina sa ba fidie so na ye de enumunyam se me erade a ya me atifo nyina so abo aba so wadwuma pa nyame namoso ediboa Ghana ne asantema doctor ebeda wase pa
Yes, me da masi libre.
Yeah, that was it. For Dr. Mensa, Dr. Wonder, our country, Guinness de Poa, and our Otin and Cano. On some more, between the Abuan, Nafi, Nanan, so between me a boy, Kakra. Nafi, Ubi answer one more Kakram on so the bar, Yebeji. Yente so far, Santa Kakrana.
Condemn Munim, Adeno, Nankami was some people again. On you will be a BBD. On Cassantia will be. On G. Bema Bisikabi. Oh, said the identity no because say Dr. Mensa Kasano minim Dr. Mensa pay or Kasano was say enye physical nko bit ma ba say spiritual e bia na baba wan wa ye obi bibi ana wa kaseti obi wa je obi bibi na woni ni refi because assembly say ba e was say o kaka wachi ko chipa yana ne mabebre hono ma enye bra wo ya de na edebe esi nemum bi betima fa oba 5 years 10 years 15 years ansa na de na eden aba enti na wa ha ya o se obeboa humfamu yi doctor nso nti yenhwe do mienu betimi aye na baba wa de kan se mame ka wa kuma to yem awrade nyankopon ti ase bibia be yi
ya na ase also for Santa AK47 na ote ne nkano so akosi bofo a eti akosi boafuna yenkoye no
condemn
akosi
asemu
de yepa
any about on Kafra because Beya Bear facing on your 5 years in being trim for Muda. Busy Muao.
Don't reach. I'll cry with pie. I bet they pie.
Me on said the beer, me Jesus some 70, but maybe beer and me giddy.
Okay.
Sister, no.
Comfort Jammy, I want you to say.
Occupy some about.
Because I'm good.
Ghana and Kwa.
Yeah.
Ghana and Kwa, we could drop Richard. And Yena. Jariwe. And Yena.